Hi, boys and girls, and welcome. I have today's writing lesson for you. This week, we are moving to some research writing. And I thought it would be a good idea to do some research writing since we're learning so much about animals. So, we started our week today by going to the San Diego Zoo on a virtual field trip where we learned a lot about so many different animals. This week, you'll be hearing different books about different animals that you might choose to learn more about. For research writing, let's take a look and see what you'll need to be doing. For writing today, you need to bring your listening ears, some paper, and a pencil. Maybe some crayons if you have some time to draw. Okay, let's get started. So, research writing is writing that is true facts about a topic. Research writing answers a special question about a topic. Here's an example. What do you know about winter? I learned about winter. One of the four seasons is winter. It is the coldest season of the year. Good writers and good research writers have a clear topic in mind. They answer a specific question. And here's something new. Good research writers begin their writing with a topic sentence. And for this week's writing, we're going to begin ours with I learned about, and we're going to name our topic. So here's the question that I'm hoping to answer. What are some ways to stay healthy? I learned different ways to stay healthy. Did you know that you should eat at least 3 meals a day? Healthy foods give your body the energy and nutrients it needs to do its job. Did I start with a topic sentence? I did. I learned different ways to stay healthy. This sentence is going to tell the reader what I'm going to talk about. This is also similar to the main idea and key details that we're learning about in reading. The details that I provide for my reader are, did you know that you should eat at least 3 meals a day? And what healthy foods do for your body? They give your body energy and nutrients it needs to do its job. So, my topic is different ways to stay healthy and about eating 3 meals a day, and about how the healthy foods give your body the energy and nutrients it needs. These are some good reminders that good writers always do. They use a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. All the other letters are lowercase. They use ending punctuation. They write the sounds that they hear. Don't worry about spelling it correctly. And when they're all done or think they're done, they reread the writing to see if it makes sense. So today we are starting a research topic. And here's our learning goal. I can read and learn about an animal of my choice. The question that we are all going to answer is, what does my animal need to survive? Here are some ideas that you might choose to write about. In order for your animal to survive, what do they need in their diet? That means, what do they need to eat? What is their habitat or where they live? And how do they protect themselves from predators? That's protection from predators. So, I'm going to exit out of my presentation and I'm going to show you another book. This could be another topic. This is actually what I'm going to use to write my writing for today. But first, I need to do some research. And my research is on dolphins. So, this is written by Emily Burke. And let's take a look and a listen. Introduction. Dolphins live in every ocean in the world. Some even live in rivers. Dolphins are mammals. Dolphins are mammals. They can keep their body warm. Dolphin mothers make milk for their babies. They do not lay eggs. Instead, their babies are born live. Dolphins breathe in air through a hole on their head. Most of the time, dolphins breathe a few times a minute. They can hold their breath for more than a minute when they need to. Wowzer! Dolphins don't sleep for hours at a time like most animals. Instead, they rest part of their brain for 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Because parts of their brain are still working, dolphins stay near the surface while asleep. This way, they can get air when they need it. While they sleep, dolphins even keep one eye open. That's an interesting fact. All about dolphins. Dolphins are different sizes. They can be big or small. Did you know there are almost 40 kinds of dolphins? Killer whales or orcas are the largest. They can be 10 meters or 32 feet long. Maui are the smallest type of dolphin. They are only 1 meter or 4 feet long. So here's an orca. Here's Rizzo's dolphin. This is a common dolphin. And here's Maui's dolphin. You can see the difference. Some dolphins only have 4 teeth. Others have more than 200 teeth. Dolphins do not use their teeth to chew. They use their teeth to grab food. Then they eat it whole. Dolphins move their tail up and down to swim. A fin on their back keeps them steady. A flipper on each side helps them steer. Dolphins and sound. Dolphins are smart. Dolphins use sound to talk to other dolphins. Dolphins also use sound to find food. Some ways that dolphins hunt. A group of dolphins often uses a bait ball to hunt. A school of fish forms in a tight ball. Some dolphins swim around the ball to keep fish from swimming away. Others stay below to keep watch. Dolphins take turns swimming into the ball to feed. When a dolphin hunts, first it makes clicking sounds. Next, it listens and waits for echoes to bounce off the fish or squid. Then the dolphin can attack. Dolphin groups. Dolphins live in groups called pods. They live in pods to find food and keep each other safe. Dolphins move from pod to pod. Sometimes they change pods more than once a day. Mothers form pods with other mothers to protect their babies. Even after they leave, young dolphins may return to swim with their mother. Some female dolphins even return to raise their babies with their own mother. Conclusion. There are many different kinds of dolphins. They all use sound to talk and find food. Most dolphins form close groups. Dolphins are amazing animals. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do today's writing, and first I need to start my writing with a topic sentence. So I have my paper, I have it here in front of me, and I actually have a chart pad that I'm going to use today. I'm very excited. So remember, when we start to write, we need to write a topic sentence that starts with, I learned about. So I'm going to start. And remember, we can always go back tomorrow and edit. So I'm going to try and remember my good writer rules. I learned about dolphins. And now I need to pick one idea. Let's see. Do you remember what dolphins eat? Let's go back to that page. Remember here it was. They use a bait ball. So I'm going to write about what they eat. And I'm going to introduce that by saying I learned about dolphins. Dolphins hunt in groups for fish. And it also mentions squid. Fish or squid. Okay, so here's my rating. I learned about dolphins. Dolphins hunt in groups for fish or squid. Now, tomorrow we're going to come back to our writing, reread it, and then do some edits. But that's all we need to do for writing today. So you can choose to do the dolphin like I did, or you can choose an animal of your choice, either one that we learned about on our field trip, one that you know about, one that you have a book about, or one that you want to learn on your own. You choose, writers, and I'm looking forward to seeing your writing. Off you go.